The brand new Adobe Premiere update is finally here. You can now generate video clips entirely from scratch, turn any image into a stunning, professional video with mind-blowing results, add seamless sound effects, and even chat with an AI assistant to handle your editing tasks right inside Premiere Pro. All of this and much more is available now in the Premiere Pro beta version. In this video, we're going to put its true effectiveness to the test. So make sure to watch until the end. You can generate any video from your imagination just by typing a text prompt, or transform any image into a video. Let's test this out by turning one of my own photos into a video. First, we'll head over to the Generative Media tool, click on it, and drag out a video area on the timeline just like I'm doing here. You'll find several professional models available, such as SeaDance, Kling, and Luma Ray, versions 2 and 3. I'm going to choose VO 3.1 Fast because it consumes the least amount of credits. From here, we can choose the quality. Lowering the quality doesn't reduce the credit cost, so I'll leave it at 1080p. For the duration, I'll set it to 4 seconds, which will use 40 credits as shown on screen. You also have the option to add sound effects, but for me, I'll skip that. I've selected 2 of my own photos for the first frame and last frame. Using ChatGPT, you can write a professional prompt. I went with a descriptive prompt that fits both images well. Now, we just wait a little bit for the result to process. As you can see, the result is amazing, especially on the second image. And don't forget, this tool is still in beta, and I chose the most credit-efficient option. Of course, if you chose SeaDance or Kling, the results would be even more mind-blowing and imaginative. Now, I'm going to try another image using just a single frame and a very short, simple prompt. Just a heads up, this is my very first time trying these features right here live in the video. I didn't sit around testing random samples over and over to cherry-pick the best results. Just like before, we'll select the Generative Media tool and drag out a space on the timeline. I've chosen a single photo of myself and written a very simple prompt. Make me smile and feeling wonderful. Then we hit generate and wait just a moment. As you can see, the result is truly amazing. I honestly love the video, so I'm going to save it right now. Moving on to the AI assistant in Premiere Pro, you can easily open it by going up to the window menu and selecting Assistant. Once opened, you'll find this professional tool packed with built-in commands that make completing your project a breeze. Organize my project. The AI automatically organizes your project files into dedicated bins and groups similar files together, so they're much easier to access. Color code my media. It applies different color labels to your videos, images, or audio based on their type or category, making them super easy to distinguish inside your project. Batch rename my clips. It renames a large batch of files using a unified naming pattern, like clip_001, clip_002, etc. Instead of you having to rename them manually one by one, find and assemble clips in a sequence. It searches your project for the required footage based on your text description or keywords, and then automatically places them right into a sequence on the timeline. All of these tools are genuinely effective. From my own experience, though, you really need a larger project to fully appreciate and benefit from them. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and leave a like to support the channel and catch all our latest updates.